Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lana. Happy birthday to you. Ready?
Ooh. Yay! Okay, well, open your presents.
Yeah.
You turn in the photo.
That's got a package for her too.
What could it be, Lana?
Jeez.
It could be on the floor.
It could be on the floor. Alright.
Yay!
What is it?
Oh, you got her tights. I wear tights.
Those are for, yeah, Lana, those are your long black socks.
Garner?
Yes?
Yeah, they're all for Lana.
That's amazing.
Nice.
One more.
One more. Don't let that hit the floor. Thank you. Do you like it?
What is it?
Yes! What is it?
Do you remember seeing that? What store?
Walmart!
Happy birthday, Lana!
Happy birthday! Oh!
Oh, good times. Good times.